After nearly 4 years of waiting, the much anticipated trial of the man accused in the Pittsburgh synagogue shooting begins tomorrow morning. Thanks for joining us on this Memorial Day. I'm Megan Schiller.
And I'm Royce Jones. All eyes will be focused on the federal courthouse downtown, where KDKA investigator Sheehan explains what's at stake.
At long last, the trial is set to begin. Tomorrow morning, the prosecution and the defense will begin laying out their individual cases in their opening arguments. Not so much about the guilt or innocence of the defendant, but whether he will face the death penalty. Even at the onset, there is little doubt the alleged gunman is responsible for the death of 11 innocent worshipers. What is in question is whether he'll face the death penalty. And the jury will be hearing arguments for and against the death penalty beginning tomorrow with the opening statement.
The very first things that the jury hears, both from the prosecution and the defense, are critical. They help form the image of the case in the minds of the jurors.
After those statements, the government will call its first witness and begin presenting its case. The alleged gunman willingly and knowingly planned and carried out the attack, a hate crime, and an act of mass murder. No witness list has been released, but in the coming weeks and months, the jurors will endure the emotional burden of hearing eyewitness testimony and viewing the forensic evidence. The prosecution will present all the horrific detail to convince them to impose the ultimate punishment.
Every single piece of evidence brought in is of primary importance with respect to setting up the prosecution's case that death is the appropriate penalty.
If, as expected, he's found guilty in the attack, the defense, led by noted criminal attorney and death penalty opponent Judy Clark, will try to convince the jury in the so-called penalty phase the gunman does not deserve the death penalty. Clark has defended mass murderers throughout her career, including Unabomber Ted Kaczynski and the Atlanta Olympics bomber Eric Rudolph. A victory for her is avoiding the death penalty and securing life imprisonment for her clients. In motions before the court, she has asserted the defendant is schizophrenic and epileptic. While not pursuing a mental infirmity defense, the defense will ask the jury to consider this when weighing whether he should face death.
Factors involving his upbringing that they will argue contributed to this situation and do not make him the kind of person that should be subjected to the death penalty regardless of the nature of the actions that he perpetrated.
Now, we will be here tomorrow morning and throughout this trial of the man accused in one of the city's darkest days and the worst anti-Semitic attack in U.S. history. Reporting at the U.S. Courthouse downtown, Sheehan, KDKA News.